I work in radiology in one of the local hospitals.
I went in for an MRI.
He went to the wrong location. He went to
So it was the
he
wrong
was not
location.
supposed to meet me at all.
I bought her coffee because she helped me with my paperwork. And 7 months later, I proposed.
Hi, how are you?
Stranger.
Marav is our real estate agent.
And she's also our friend. A
And-
very good family friend of ours. And also my mentor. I recently got my real estate license.
Even though we could technically go and look at homes ourselves, Marav has been doing it for 20 years.
Both of these ladies are gonna be teaming up against me when it's time to pick a house.
Oh, it's just a matter of time anyway. They're gonna pick on you the whole process. You know this.
I know.
Couples usually are not on the same page when they're looking at homes. So you guys are not the first one nor the last one to not want the same thing.
I wanna house a kid, raise a kid, get some kids. Kids, not a dog.
Living by the beach would really remind me of back home because I grew up looking over beautiful sea. I grew up in Ukraine. Every morning I would wake up and I would see the beautiful sea, beautiful sunsets, sunrises. I know Lionel does not want to live close to the beach because it reminds him of touristy part of Jamaica.
I grew up in Jamaica. Noise, parties, all kind of stuff going on all the time. That's exactly like Fort Lauderdale. I don't think that's ideal for raising children. I want a family vibe, like I know you have with your kids.
Do you want my kids?
I feel like even though we are approved up to 600,000, it still would be a very smart idea just to stay a little bit lower to 500,000.
But you get what you pay for. I think if we're able to find something within a 600 price range and it fits my needs and Kat's wants, that would be great. I want at least 3 bedrooms. 2.5 bath would be perfect, so we have a guest bathroom there with some yard space.
For what you're looking for, definitely inland will be more like it.
I love your kitchen, by the way. I like your high ceilings and your lights.
We're about to redo the kitchen.
Are you gonna do white countertops? Because I love white with the waterfall.
That's exactly what we're doing.
Nice.
I'm okay with having a house that needs a little bit of work.
I just don't think we have the time. I want something moving and ready.
But remember, what you see here in our house was not like this when we bought this house.
Are you excited to see the place that Mara found?
Yeah, I love that it's in Sunrise. I mean, I don't think we're gonna get more inland than that.
I'm just a little nervous about, you know, how far it is from the beach. It's like 30 minutes away.
But 30 minutes is not that far. If you think about it, that's a quick shot to the beach. However, less than 500 in Sunrise, something is definitely wrong with it.
From the pictures, though, it does look like it needs some work. You would get a 2-car garage.
Yeah.
It just the color, though, needs to be repainted.
No, because the only thing I like about this house.
It needs more fun colors.
No.
It'd be so much better. It is nice.
Well, hello.
Hi. How are you, honey? Mwah, mwah.
So before you judge the house...
It looks way darker.
Yes, it is.
And in pictures, it looks so nice and bright.
But price, price, price. The biggest challenge as an agent is being friends with your client. It's a very fine line. This house, it's the location that Lionel really wants, with the price the cat really wants. So it's a compromise of both worlds. What I'm seeing is vaulted ceilings,
That's a good part.
big open area.
But popcorn ceilings.
$2,500, it's gone.
I don't like any of this, though. It's horrible.
I get that it's an open area, but if this is
You
the family room,
said-
this is small.
So I have an idea for you. This is the kitchen. So if you can see, this wall is not touching the ceiling.
Okay.
You can remove this wall and put your big island right in here. You can put cabinets underneath.
Oh, that's nice.
You
And
can
then I
do
have my
bar
waterfall.
stools, absolutely, on the other side. Because it's not a big kitchen, you're looking anywhere between 20 to 30,000.
It's
This
cute.
is tiny. Oh my gosh.
I feel like it's perfect for the puppy.
The puppy that we're not getting.
Are we ready to see the rest of the house?
Yes.
So you have the full bath right over here.
Sheesh. It's like your mom, right?
Okay,
It
but
looks like my
again,
grandma's house, but I like it though.
So yeah, it's spacious, but just the ceilings are lower.
The carpets definitely have to go. All right, and this is the second.
yep, so they are actually use this as their office in as their extra room when they had people visit.
This could be a little library slash work.
If they're leaving all of this, that's actually a plus for me here.
We can always negotiate.
So what I'm thinking is we could use this, keep this as an office for now, and then when the second baby comes,
Second baby. What about the puppy?
No. When the second baby comes, this will be the second baby's bedroom. But this is like we could make this into a bed, right? Like put a bed right here for now too?
Correct. So they have a futon, but I will suggest maybe a Murphy bed.
Okay, right? What do you think about that? That's pretty good.
You can definitely look into it.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
Privacy, right?
Exactly. And you can see how big this room is.
This is huge.
That is
Exactly.
pretty
This
big.
is like 2 bedrooms in one.
I like that it's more kind of like homey, traditional. I can,
Does it remind you back of home?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's because it's old.
I wish there would be like 2 sinks. So
Roughly how
we
much would
could
it be to
get-
change
So
this to like
this
a
is
double?
actually really easy because the plumbing is already there.
Okay. Okay, so I love that it has a tub. There's a tub here.
That means more cleaning for me. I am not excited about the tub.
I love the size of it. It has a potential, but it is a lot of work.
I'm happy about the price. I do like that it reminds me of my grandparents' house. Location is no. I know that Lionel wants to have a baby right away. I know that Lionel likes this place. It has a lot of potential. However, it's not close to the beach whatsoever.
Marav has found a condo in Lauderdale by the sea, a location that gives Kat waterfront living and Lionel a calmer vibe than Fort Lauderdale.
The owners just lowered the price to $530.
They're motivated.
Exactly.
I like 530 a lot. I just don't like the curb appeal.
Give it a chance. Let's see inside.
Well, let's go see the amenities. Maybe that will change your mind a little bit.
I love
It looks
this.
amazing. And Cat, it is pet friendly, which is the few buildings in the Fort Lauderdale area that are.
How much is the HOA?
So the HOA is $795 per month.
Okay.
You do get cable, water, internet, the pool, the gym.
Is this the view I'm getting from the unit?
For this type of view, you're going to be spending a little bit over $100,000 more.
Sheesh.
Your view will be on the other side.
Nice. I love the view.
That is a beautiful view.
That is so pretty. Look, you can see intercoastal over here.
It is impact windows throughout, so you get that.
It's beautiful. I understand it's not exactly the beach view that I was hoping for. However, not everybody knows that when you have balcony that's facing west, it's actually better because you can view the sunsets. Sunsets remind me of back home in Ukraine when I lived overlooking the beautiful Black Sea. I think it would be a great choice.
I like the floors. Pretty big tiles. It's just the ceilings for me. What do you think?
It does feel kind of low.
The washer is actually in the kitchen, and the dryer is in the closet. Best way is to just put a stock bowl in there and problem is solved, and you can close the doors and no one will ever even know
Does it
that it's there.
close?
Right now it doesn't, just the way that the owner has it set up.
Okay. Okay, yeah. I like that.
You definitely like the white cabinets.
I like the white cabinets.
It does not feel like, homey.
I understand.
I feel that it's too
clustered.
standardized, plain. The counters are so low.
This entire bathroom is just a vanity. This whole thing would need to get redone.
So this is your second bedroom.
Yeah, this is pretty tight. I need a family. I need a family.
I think it would be perfect. Remember, it's just temporary for a couple of years, living by the beach, enjoying the sunsets.
2 years from now, I'm not looking to move. I'm looking to have my kid crawling around, playing in the backyard, and just having fun as a dad.
The price of the condo would definitely go up, and living by the beach, it will definitely hold the value and will help us resell the place later.
This is great.
I love this.
The space in here is good. This feels better than the living area to me. Simply because it feels more open.
It feels like there's so much light in here. You can keep this bathroom, I'll keep the other bathroom. I like it. I like that it's obviously on the beach. We can still have this beautiful intercoastal view where we can have sunsets with some wine.
I still think it's a little bit above the price I'm comfortable to pay for it because it needs some work. Plus, I don't have a yard space. It's just not, it doesn't feel like home for me at all.
Since Lionel is also in real estate, he flagged a property that might work and sent it to their agent.
I think it is perfect.
How much is it?
Before I tell you the price, let me say this. It's been on the market for a while now, so we can negotiate down. It is $629.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's perfect. It's right on the canal, 10 minutes from the beach.
On the canal?
Yeah, the
Ooh,
only
that sounds
downside
good.
though, let me tell you, before we see it, the only downside is one bathroom.
Really?
Yeah, and this is a beautiful community here. Lots of trees, lots of everything that you're looking for.
Well, let's see. Let's see what you picked. I think it's charming.
Doesn't have a driveway or a garage.
Yeah, but look at the tree. It reminds me of my grandma's house. She had a tree just like it. I love
Okay.
the colors.
Color is fine.
Those are fun colors.
Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Found a gem. You took the two once
He was bragging the whole ride over here.
and you
I found a
combined it
listing.
into one.
I found a listing that would be perfect for both of us. I love how open the kitchen is.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
This kitchen is amazing. It's already redone for us. Everything is updated the way we want it. I know it doesn't have the island with the waterfall, but an island is an island, and I love that. I love that it's tiled right throughout, though.
Oh yeah, lots of light.
These windows, though, I'm not really sure about them.
Oh wow, I love the view. And
Yeah?
this is a canal, so you could see, sit over here, fish maybe. I
Yeah,
don't
watch
know.
the boats pass.
What about the closet though?
Ouch.
It is tight.
This is tight for me. This is very, very tight for me.
You're just very
Sheesh.
big.
I mean, it's updated. I'll give them that.
I
Definitely
like
updated
that.
here.
Yeah, I like that it's updated. It's just, this is kind of small. I need the bigger space.
So originally this was the garage. What the owners did, they put a wall up
Okay.
and they made this into their main suite.
Was this done with permits?
Everything is done with permits.
Okay, good, good.
This is where we're gonna build your en-suite bathroom.
That makes sense.
The owner already pulled the permits, all the plans are done. All you have to
Perfect.
do is get the contractors in here and build it. You already
This
have
whole thing?
this whole entire thing. So
Wow.
this area already has the plumbing done. All you have to do is put the walls.
I'm looking at this yard space, and I'm in love with the yard space. I'm in love with the trees. Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at the coconuts.
This works so well for me.
But if you ever have a boat, you can just take it straight to the ocean. It's about a 30 to 40-minute ride.
Oh wow, that sounds very good.
We have all the space that I want for the kids. I can see the kids back here. Put a little fence right here to separate them from the water. Have them playing back here. Maybe then you can get a dog for outside.
Oh my
Maybe
gosh.
then you can get a dog.
I do really like the house. I like the canal, the view.
I love how open the kitchen is, how redone it is. There's no work there to be done at all, but we will need to build the next bathroom.
I really like the property. I just don't like the price. It's just too much.
Let's talk about a fixer-upper.
It is the best price.
That's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and you have all this living space.
It's way too far from the beach.
You finally got to see your beachfront condo, though. Was everything you dreamed of?
That was very nice location. The views were breathtaking. I'm not a fan of the kitchen.
I'm okay with the main suite the way it is. I love the space in there. However, at $795 for just the HOA, that's going to be on top of our mortgage.
I was very impressed with the listing that you found. I like the canal view. The biggest problem would be the price. It is very expensive.
There's only 1 bathroom there. And it's going to take us some time and some money to get the bathroom done.
Money that we don't have.
Oh, yeah. Exhilarating.
We decided to go with a fixer-upper.
It compromises on both our sides, but gives us so much of what we also want. And the potential of it is amazing.
Look at this. I think I did really good.
Yeah, that is a good job. The property was listed for $499.
There was a lot of offers. It was nerve-wracking, really.
Yeah, it was like 20-something offers on there. We actually did get it for $510, but the interesting part about it was we had to throw in lots of other stuff like, post-occupancies and having them leave some stuff for us. That's how we truly won the contract, not just the money.